Sorry about that little dot, guys. This is part 2 of the journey. For some reason part 1 is finished, but anyway, moving on. Please like, subscribe if you're already new around here, and maybe you'll probably see some more later on in the day, maybe. I'll try and upload these today. I really can't say if I will. We going into Rotterdam. Uh-oh. No. Sorry about that little dot in the corner. I'm a little upset about it, but can't do much. Give it a little welling, a bit of speed today. I've got some guy, I'm chasing some guy. We're going to the Laggy Dam soon, so I've got to get the ferry over to Felixstowe. And it's going to be really laggy and everyone's going to be bumping in everywhere, so hopefully we don't get that problem today, because I can't be dealing with reporting anyone today. There we go, we got a fellow trucker. Morning, morning. Let's see if we can crank it to 100. Let's cruise to 100. Uh-oh. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is trying to be cocky. It's an F7 job. Let's go. Oh, fuck's sake, man, we're going into Rotterdam, guys. I don't like, man. Not making money today, mate. Not making no money. Anyway, guys, but my first video, I tried to clean it up to the best I can, but it cut out at the end, like a fair bit, so I'm trying my best to keep it running as best I can. But if I have to make it 2 parts, then I'll make it 2 parts, just for you guys. Simple as that. But anyway, here we go. Let's move out of here, because this is the laggiest country in the game. Oh, now I'm missing audio. Super. You'll see later in the day. I'll try and record it like 6 o'clock. We'll hit this road again, and you'll see that this plumbs up to 70, 80, and the second day of this being my coming back from where I came from. Come on, dude. And it was just pure traffic jams, everything. So I'm fingers crossed tonight is gonna be not the same, but we'll see. You know what? I'm just gonna blow these lights. I can't be bothered waiting around. Boom. I'm gonna get horns. Yes, I know. I'm gonna get tickets. Oh, 2 tickets, mate? What? I'm done. This game is garbage. I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go straight. I'm not listening to GPS, because I want to show you something. Yep, nice speeding ticket. Wow, kid, you don't know where the N key is on the keyboard? Wow, man, wow. Anyway, moving on swiftly from that. We're gonna go straight forward. Instead of taking this corner here on the map, I'm gonna take it straight up. Control. Hey, do its things. Oh, it says straight anyway. What the hell? That changed its mind quick. Yeah, baby, that's what I like to hear. Thank you. We're gonna go up this. We're gonna go up there. Fingers crossed. It's very busy. We've not got into this state yet. I need to chill out on that. And again. Ooh, le papa. Retarded. You're supposed to hit it once only. I hit it 3 times, and that's why I jolted to the right. Give me that horn, baby. There we go. This is where the fun begins. Whoop. Oh. Okay, guys, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.